Yeah, thank you for tuning in. Before we start up, we're gonna be saying this: no pain, no gain. Because what you're about to listen to is gonna help you in the long run. And why the pain comes in is if you are always doing the things you need to adjust to, start doing in this video. So it's gonna pain you because you're so comfortable in doing your former things. So now you need to switch it up, baby. Switch it up. Hey everyone, God bless you. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Mori Treasure. God is so super intentional about you, and that is why you're here. He made you come here at this time, at this place, and you need to be part of this family. You need to subscribe. You need to be part, and you want to get the first notification whenever I upload my new video. Turn the bell notification bell button on, and like this video, comment, and share with someone. We know further ado, let's dive straight up. Okay, how do I make this guy commit? How do I make this man fall in love with me? How do I make this person, in fact, obsessed about me? Oh my goodness, I got you, baby. You just have to chill, relax your node, your jota, your pad. Everything should be on. And your juice, be it your tea, and cross your fingers. Keep them crossed, and let's dive straight into it. Number one thing you need to be doing, what I said before earlier on, is no pain again. I know a lot of you are always the calling type. You're always bugging him with messages. You're always calling him. You want to let him know that you miss him. You want to let him know you are thinking about him. You literally want to let him know that you are all that he got. You care. You're so nice. You're telling him, showing him, I'm nice. I will call you. I'll be there for you. Even if you don't call me, I'm going to call you. I'm going to text you. I got a card. In fact, you don't even need to flash me. You don't even need to give me attention. I'll give you attention. You are doing everything, sweetheart. So which is his part? Now you're doing the calling, you're always texting, you're always calling. You be the one to first text, you be the one to first call. He's doing literally nothing because you're doing everything. This topic is gonna be so brutal, okay? Please. But it's the truth and it's the facts you're gonna learn in the hard way. Okay, for those of you that have been seeing a lot of people tell you, advise you, but I say no, but this is gonna sink into you. Now, don't do the more call. What do I mean? You want this guy to miss you. Be logical. Men are logical. Once in a while, in every relationship you find yourself, just be logical. Don't be too emotionally attached. If I can be there and done then you can be done with it too. You always, then you'll be seeing the attention, because when you stop calling him, when you stop texting him first, I didn't say you will not text or call. You will definitely, like once in a while, but you're gonna put everything on him, lay it on him. So he's the man. He should do the work. The Bible make it clear. Man, love your, what did you say? Love your wife. Love the person you want to get married to. In fact, what are you doing in a relationship if it's not going to end up in marriage? So he's to love you, period, and show you attention. Prove that he loves. Give you time. You don't need to cry for the time, sweetheart. You don't need to call him to text you. You don't need to beg him to call you. You literally need to let things fall in place. Now, let him call you. I understand how this feels. Like sometimes you be on your phone waiting for him to call you, text you, and it's gone. If he doesn't give you attention, let him go. You need someone to deserve your beautiful heart and your virtue you have. Let him go. If it's not giving you attention, you beg for his attention, let him go. You deserve better. And another thing is, give him space. Let him breathe. He literally you like this guy. I know you're into him, but you're literally bugging him. You're always calling, texting. You be the one to